Hey you, if you're new, welcome. I'm Kristen, and I'm about to show you what we're going to be cooking up next week. On the menu for Monday is cheesesteak pasta. Now, the only prep work is slicing the peppers and the onions, and I also sliced up my meat. Now, I did not add the mushrooms because my mushrooms, when I opened it, they were disgusting. So you can add them or not add them. And I also added American cheese and provolone cheese. The American cheese makes it a little bit more creamy, but it's up to you, whatever kind that, whatever cheese that you like. Tuesday, we're going in with the sub salad, and you do not want to sleep on this thing. If you've ever been to a good sub shop, they do make these little salad bowls, but I'm telling you, you can make it at home, and it is 10 times better, cheaper, and ready to go in your kitchen. The key to this salad is those pepperoncinis right there. That particular brand, they know what they're doing. I'm just saying, you sub up your salad how it tastes best to you. Y'all, it's fall, so we going in with some chili. Now, this is my dad's chili recipe, and I gotta tell you, it is pretty good. It's more of like a Southwest style, but I'm just saying, you gotta give it a try. It is one to taste. The one thing I do want to point out is that you want to make sure that you get that Tex-Mex chili. Don't get the regular chili packet, get the Tex-Mex. Thursday, we're going in with the chili dog and taking some of that dad's chili and throwing it right on the top. I made a double batch of this chili, threw one in the freezer because I got another meal that's going to be coming up that you're going to want to check out. If you don't have a preference on a hot dog and you want to try a new one, this one right here is the one to try. Nathan's Hot Dogs they know what they're doing. Friday, we went in and put some Bubba Burgers on the grill, threw some seasoning on them things, threw some pepper jack cheese on them things, cooked up some bacon, and had a bacon burger. Now, I also made some boxed macaroni, but I learned at a pretty young age that boxed macaroni tastes like cardboard. You got to throw some seasoning up in that thing, and that's exactly what I did. Hey you, you. If you're busy and you don't have time to meal plan, well honey, I've already done the work for you. All you have to do is click the link, head over to my Patreon, become a member, go to the collections, and there's already 6 weeks of meal plans there for you. Now, I do add a new meal plan and grocery list each week, so for $10 a month, meal planning is done for you, honey. All you have to do is follow that link. Monday, I'll be posting the dinner demonstrations for all of these meals, so I hope you come back and check me out. Now, if you got any value out of this video, please hit that like button. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you Monday.